ಇವತ್ತು ಮಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಜೀವ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಜೀವ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ತ್ಯಾಜ್ಯ ಪದಾರ್ಥವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯ.
Here it is showing the soil profiles. You can choose which crop is better for this particular soil system. This section is showing some different implements which we will be using in the agriculture. See, for example, seed cum fertilizer drill andre there is the two knobs. One we will be feeding with the seed and other will be with the fertilizer. First ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಸೀಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. That fetch so many human labor and also it will waste so much of time. So we have come with a new invention, seed cum fertilizer drill.
So now you are right now in the Department of Soil Science and Agriculture Chemistry. It specifically deals regarding analysis of soils, water and plants.